Hi everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Talk English. I'm Sara.
And I'm Johan. Today, we're talking about a word that is very small but very powerful.
That's right, Johan. We're talking about the word no. Why is it so hard for English learners to say no politely?
Exactly. People often think no sounds rude. But in American culture, being direct is actually a sign of respect if you say it the right way.
Let's look at a quick story. Meet Mark. Mark is a yes man. In his office in Chicago, his boss asks for extra work. Mark says, yes.
His friends ask him to move furniture on his only day off. Mark says, yes.
But Mark was exhausted. He was burnt out. One morning, he looked in the mirror and realized he had no time for his own life. He was living for everyone else.
So, what did he do, Sarah?
He tried something new. When his coworker asked him for a huge favor, Mark took a deep breath and said, I'd love to help, but I'm swamped right now.
Surprise tone. And did his coworker get mad?
Not at all. They just said, oh, no worries. I'll ask someone else. Mark finally realized that saying no to others meant saying yes to his own peace of mind.
That's a great lesson. Now, for our listeners at Fluent Talk English, let's practice those natural phrases. We want you to sound like a native speaker.
I will say a phrase, and I want you to repeat it out loud. Pay attention to the rhythm. Ready? I'd love to help, but I'm swamped right now.
I'm sorry, I have a lot on my plate today.
I'll have to pass this time. But thanks for asking.
Great job, everyone. Remember, being fluent isn't just about grammar. It's about setting boundaries with confidence.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Fluent Talk English. We release new stories every week to help you reach your goals.